Welcome, welcome to another day. We're feeling a lot better today, guys.
Yeah, big time.
So we decided, like we said yesterday, we need to like realign and do some stuff together. So today, for a laugh, I'm going to get the yoga mat out and we're going to try some couples yoga poses.
This is one of my worst nightmares.
Because we're going to go climbing, so we need to stretch anyway. I looked up couples yoga and I seen this one for beginners.
You showed me that, and it's like
my word.
Trapeze artists that are doing some weird stretches together. And it's like, there's no way I can bend that way, that you can bend that way. I can't bend that way. Yeah, we're going to do some yoga, we're going to limber up for climbing, and then we're going to try some of these stupid couples poses, and we're just going to enjoy it and have fun and bring you guys along. So, let's go. What is this? You just dab. Let's go. So if you didn't know, we have a yoga mat. I think you've kind of forgot about that one.
I'm literally going to have to link to the video up here that in our last month of daily videos in February, he put it in under this bed and said, this is the last time we're going to see this yoga mat, and we laughed, and it literally is.
This is a yoga mat that has never seen one day of use. And
no, it never will.
Into the abyss. I told you.
I didn't. I have hopes. I want to get better. I want to get flexible.
There you go.
Yoga.
At least you like the park. You're like one of those young mums that just had a baby and they go out to the park to do their yoga.
Well, let's do it. I'm feeling pumped. We need to get our flex on.
So I don't have a yoga mat, so I'm using a blanket. That was awesome! I feel great! This is very sensual, isn't it?
You're happy! You're so happy!
This is so nice.
Oh, holy sugar!
Are you okay?
Let's take a bit of weight off me!
There's not! How long is this ad? Are you kidding me? Can we skip it?
Is your butt hurting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What? What? I'm confused.
Nope.
I hate this.
Nope.
This is terrible.
This is not.
Why are we doing this to ourselves?
That'll be our 10. That has to be our 10. Let it be our 10. Okay, 10. Oh.
What?
No, not okay. What?
Look at this. Putting up hands in between.
Eggs wider.
No! That was horrific.
And wider. You can open them. Yeah. Oh, there it is.
Holy crap.
Oh. Now what's she doing? Oh, Philly, mine can't open this wide.
I don't feel flexible.
Oh, no, Philly, don't push them open. Big Steve to come down low.
No, I can't. What? Shut up!
Now it's my turn.
No. Exactly, right? Come low. How low can you get? He's right down. Get my hips up. Okay. Why have we decided that I am the woman?
Now let's do the one where I go onto your body and like seagull.
Seagull? Seagull! Steven Seagull.
Ready? and then, right, get me balance, and then we have to let go. Oh! Oh my word! Oh my word! We are friggin' awesome! Oh! Okay, I'm straight. I'm straight. I'm straight. I'm straight. That's enough.
Your boob's coming in. Wow. My turn to do Steven Seagal.
Okay. Okay, now you get your legs out. Oh, no.
We're doing it. Split second for a thumbnail.
Okay, go. Oh my word. I'm not sure if I feel more limber or less limber.
I feel like that last one, the blood has just rushed to my head.
Okay guys, so that was pretty flippin' fun.
Oh man.
That was so painful.
I don't know if I'm like zen or stressed.
I'm not stressed, but I'm in pain.
How not to yoga?
Right, so we're gonna go climb now and we'll catch you guys again tomorrow. But thank you so much for coming on this video with us two idiots. And we love you and appreciate you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Bye bye bye.
Bye. I mean, what?
Did you fart?